Let's go. I wake up to a little bit of drool on my pillow, feel like it's gonna be a bad day. Yeah, I'm tired of shit, and the coffee ain't hit yet, damn, ain't that great. I don't wanna go to work, cause my boss is a jerk, and I'm not even that paid. I need a change in my life, cause I don't feel alive, and there's nothing that makes me happy.
The Vaderstad Rexius 1230 is a heavy-duty roller used in tillage practices to prepare the seed bed. It is designed to ensure that seeds make good contact with the soil, promoting optimal conditions for germination and crop growth. The machine's heavy-duty construction reduces costs and time on the field, resulting in a long working life and minimal downtime during operation. Vermeer RTX 130 is a pedestrian trencher that can install fiber, irrigation line, and other utilities. It has a 13-horsepower Honda engine, a hydrostatic ground drive, and a 30-inch digging depth. It has a 35-inch width that allows it to access small spaces and a cylinder and linkage bar design that helps position the cutter wheel out and away from the machine as the boom drops. It also has a TrenchSense electronic control system that monitors engine load and adjusts the ground drive speed accordingly. The Vernig V60 Industrial Rotary Brush Cutter is a skid steer attachment that can cut through thick brush, grass, and weeds with ease. The V60 has a direct drive Eaton motor with relief valves, a hydraulic braking system that stops the flywheel within 10 seconds, and a standard motor guard and spindle guard. It also has a circular flywheel with 4 reversible blades that provide a clean cut and a smooth operation. It also has an open front design that allows for better visibility and easier access to the cutting area. The Claas Lexion 8900 is a high-performance combine harvester that can handle different crops and conditions. It has a large threshing unit that can separate the grain from the straw efficiently and a huge grain tank that can store up to 18,000 liters. It also has a Montana system that can level the chassis and the feeder housing on slopes up to 18%. The 8900 is ideal for large-scale harvesting operations that require speed and quality. Ditch Witch SK600. This is a smaller mini skid steer that is designed for small-scale landscape and irrigation jobs. It has a narrow frame for better maneuverability in tight spaces. It has a 24.8 horsepower diesel engine and a 600-pound rated operating capacity. It can also use various attachments such as brooms, rakes, grapples, and more. It has a construction-grade design that improves machine durability and longevity. The Schultz ETX 300. This is a vertical tillage machine that can till various surfaces such as soil, sand, and gravel. Tilling is a process of breaking and loosening the soil to improve its drainage, aeration, and structure. It has a powerful engine, a hydraulic system, and a tiller that can till up to 300 millimeters deep and 250 millimeters wide in one pass. It also has a user-friendly control system that provides easy and precise operation and a safety system that protects the operator and the machine. This machine can be used for various tilling purposes, such as agriculture, landscaping, and gardening. It is a precise and productive machine that can create a smooth surface. Univerco Falk is a rotary tiller that can be used for soil preparation and bed shaping. It has a powerful engine, a variable speed range, and a hydraulic system that allows for smooth and precise operation. It can work in all types of soil and create uniform beds with adjustable dimensions. It can also be fitted with a bed shaper attachment to form raised beds. Finlay 674 is a compact and easily transportable machine that offers operators rapid setup and tear-down times. It features a 3-deck screen with a large screening area of 170 square feet and a 4th conveyor that can discharge materials for recirculation or stockpiling. The screen box angle can be hydraulically adjusted to suit different applications. The Grimm Isolift WER 180 is a machine designed for the specific task of windrowing onions. With a working width of 1.80 meter, it is used to arrange the onions in rows, making it easier to harvest them. The machine is fully functional and well-maintained, making it suitable for agricultural operations involving onion cultivation and harvesting. Hitachi ZX225 USLC7 is a medium excavator that offers outstanding versatility and flexibility. It has a short tail swing radius, a powerful engine, and a high digging force. It also has a spacious cab, a heated seat, and a multifunction lever. It can work on a variety of job sites such as urban areas, road construction, and landscaping. JCB AJ48D is a diesel generator that can provide reliable and efficient power for various applications. It has a diesel engine that produces up to 48 kilovolt amperes of power, a control panel that displays the status and performance of the generator, and a soundproof canopy that reduces noise and vibration. John Deere 30R is a windrow pickup attachment for self-propelled forage harvesters. It has a 5-meter pickup width and a large 80-centimeter diameter auger. It can handle large windrows of grass, alfalfa, and other crops. It also has a dual-cam pickup design that reduces crop losses and improves feeding. The Kibag Kidrill, a prefabricated screw foundation system that is an innovative alternative to conventional pile foundation technology. The Kibag Kidrill consists of a steel screw with a flange that is driven into the ground with a hydraulic rotary head. The screw can be connected to various types of structures, such as buildings, bridges, solar panels, and wind turbines. It offers a number of advantages, such as high load-bearing capacity, fast installation, low noise and vibration, and environmental friendliness. Komatsu PC490 LCI11 is a large hydraulic excavator that features intelligent machine control technology. It has a 3D GNSS system that automatically controls the boom, arm, and bucket movements to achieve the target grade and shape. It also has a large LCD monitor that displays real-time information and guidance. It can improve productivity, accuracy, and efficiency, while reducing costs and rework. Komatsu ZT44 Blast Hole Drill is a down-the-hole surface drill rig that is designed for mining duty applications. It has a high-horsepower engine, a large-capacity dual-setting compressor, and a compact design. It also has 4 infrared night vision cameras, a service accessibility feature, and a heat mitigation feature. It can drill holes from 5.5 to 8.5 inches in diameter, with a maximum depth of 140 feet. The K-Tech 1228. This is a high-capacity earth-moving scraper that can haul up to 28 cubic yards of material. It has a durable and lightweight design, a smooth and stable ride, and a low maintenance cost. It also has a unique ejector system that pushes the material out of the bowl, eliminating the need for a tailgate. This machine can be used for various earth-moving projects, such as road construction, land reclamation, and site preparation. It is a fast and efficient machine that can move the earth. Magio Intermax D is an inter-row combined machine with double blades and a central cultivator. It can perform various operations such as plowing, harrowing, hoeing, ridging, and brushing in one pass. It also has an electro-hydraulic emergency device and a recordable sensor for obstacle detection. It can adapt to different row widths and soil conditions. McCloskey 512R is a high-performance trommel screen that can handle various materials such as topsoil, compost, sand, gravel, and wood chips. It has a radial conveyor that can stockpile material up to 18 feet high. It also has a remote control and a drum cleaning brush for easy operation and maintenance. P&H77XR is a blast hole drill that combines high performance and low maintenance. It has a kinetic energy storage system that recovers and reuses braking energy, reducing fuel consumption by up to 30%. It also has an intelligent compressor control that regulates the airflow into the hole, optimizing power and baling velocity. It can drill holes from 7 to 10 inches in diameter with a single pass depth of 55 feet and a multi-pass depth of 280 feet. It can also perform angle drilling and auto navigation with high-precision GPS. The Sany SLI 500H. This is a large hydraulic excavator that can dig, trench, and load various materials such as rock, concrete, and metal. It has a powerful engine, a hydraulic system, and a bucket that can dig up to 27 cubic meters of material in one scoop. It also has a state-of-the-art electronic system that monitors and controls the machine functions and provides diagnostic information. This machine can be used for various mining and construction purposes, such as loading, hauling, and dumping. It is a huge and impressive machine that can move mountains. Vermeer T955 is a powerful track trencher that can cut through hard rock and other tough materials with ease. It has a chain drive terrain leveler option for large rock excavation applications, such as surface mining, overburden removal, site preparation, and road demolition 3. The T955 has a maximum cutting depth of 26 feet and a maximum cutting width of 10 feet, making it ideal for creating trenches for pipelines, cables, and drainage systems. Hadbot 2.055D4 is a versatile autonomous machine for light soil applications and maintenance. It has a 75 horsepower Deutz diesel engine, electric-driven PTO, and high-voltage connectors, and a standard control valve with safety mechanisms. It can work with various implements such as spaders, drills, weeders, and sprayers, and has a 243-degree operating range. It also has state-of-the-art safety features such as Juffin system, obstacle detection system, and emergency stop buttons. Allied Gator MTR70C. This is a hydraulic attachment that can be mounted on excavators, loaders, or skid steers. It has a patented MT series multi-tool that can switch between different jaw sets, such as shear, cracker, crusher, or pulverizer. It can cut, crush, or pulverize various materials, such as steel, concrete, wood, or rock. It also has a 360-degree continuous rotation feature that allows it to work in any position. BMV FL 300N is a pruning machine for dry and green cutting in olive groves and orchards. It has a power range of 55 to 74 horsepower and a cutting length of 300 centimeter. It can be equipped with discs or knives for different branch diameters. It has a hydraulic folding frame for easy transport and a belt transmission that does not need adjustment. BRAC T28A is a 2-row disc trencher that can tilt the discs to lay the humus in the same direction, left or right, or facing toward or away from each other. It can handle the harshest terrain conditions with a lot of rocks and slash. It attaches to medium-sized or large base machines and has a working width of 2.8 meters. It has a new design of discs with replaceable tooth plates that provide better scarification quality and economy. It has a PLC-based control system that regulates the disc angle automatically or manually and allows the operator to choose from 8 operating programs. CAT AD63 is an underground articulated truck that is designed for high production, lower costs, and increased efficiency. It is built tough to stand up to the harsh conditions of underground mining and features a number of improvements over its predecessor, the AD60, including a 5% greater payload and more torque. The CAT D10T2 is a large bulldozer manufactured by Caterpillar. It is the largest bulldozer in Caterpillar's lineup, and it is designed for heavy-duty applications such as dozing, ripping, and land clearing. It is powered by a CAT C32 Tier 4 final diesel engine that produces 754 horsepower and is equipped with a number of features that make it well suited for heavy-duty applications. CBI 6400 CT is a horizontal grinder and chipper that is an extreme-duty machine engineered for grinding contaminated demolition debris, railroad ties, whole trees, pallets, storm debris, shingles, logs, mulch, slash, and stumps. It has a 765 horsepower CAT C18 engine, a 40-inch drum, and a 60-inch in-feed opening. The Claas Disco and Liner. These are machines that can mow and rake various surfaces, such as grass, weeds, and crops. Mowing and raking are processes of cutting and trimming the vegetation to improve its appearance, health, and growth. They have powerful engines, hydraulic systems, and mowers and rakes that can mow and rake up to 10 meters wide in one pass. They also have user-friendly control systems that provide easy and precise operation, and safety systems that protect the operators and the machines. These machines can be used for various mowing and raking purposes, such as agriculture, landscaping, and gardening. They are precise and productive machines that can create a neat surface. The Ditch Witch at 32, an all-terrain directional drill that packs performance and strength into a sleek package. It has a gross power of 155 horsepower and a thrust and pullback of 32,000 pounds. It also has a new rod loading system that allows the operator to carry 450 feet of AT drill pipe on board and manually insert additional sticks of pipe when running low. The AT32 also has a higher-powered fluid pump that provides 40% more fluid flow to help operators stay productive on longer bores with larger diameters. The AT32 is the next generation of all-terrain drilling that can handle any ground condition with ease. Effer 2655 is a truck-mounted crane that can reach incredible distances and extraordinary lifting capacity. It has a high-speed hydraulic system and a wind and drive system that allow a fast and flexible use of the crane. It can reach a height of 60 meters with a joint height of 54 meters and has the maximum outreach in its category. It is an ideal solution for working in city centers or difficult sites where large mobile cranes cannot operate. The Famer FS300 is a longwall shearer that can cut and load coal from the coal face in underground mines. It has a 9-liter engine that produces up to 335 kilowatts and a cutting height of up to 4,000 millimeters. It also has a horizontal center-to-center distance between cutting drums of 12.365 to 12.936 meters and a distance between driving wheel axes of 4.86 meters.